Welcome back, Dreadysays. This time, I'm so excited for this. The Overboard Changing Robe. 130 quid compared to the likes of Dryrobe, which are 160 quid for a similar level of tech. He always grumbles when I unbox and unbag things. So, oh yes. Now, I'm really short. I'm 5'7"-ish. So I went for the medium. Let's see how it fits with a hoodie on. Oh, that's a glove. Oh, like a glove. Oh, there we go. Just needed its first go. Whew. Thought it was bad then for a minute. Right, I am now absolutely roasting. Oh, that's a good hood. Even with all my dreads. Oh, I am as warm as I look. Oh, I can strap those down as well. Look at that. Ooh, secret pocket. That pocket does look like it's going to be IP67-ish. And oh, they're big. Oh, they're big pockets. Oh, that is deep. Not IP67, just standard pockets. Any internal pockets? Yes, internal pocket. Oh, well done, Overboard. Well, I'm absolutely roasting. Yeah, first go. Oh, superb. This pleases me greatly. And there we go. Right, I don't know what else to say about it. Nice. I don't know if it's wool or it's going to be something that is absorbent. Synthetic lamb's wool. Yeah, fleece lining. Very similar to the Dryrobe. As it's a changing robe, I'm sure I can get clothes off under there. Wetsuit, there's plenty of room to manoeuvre, and when you're bending over, it's nice and long. So you're not showing the world your little bottom, which my cheaper one, it's not as long. So if you're about my height, 5'7" to, I think it says on there, 5'5" to 5'10". You know, I'm medium build, but I've got a huge hoodie on, and look at all that room in there. Yeah, sweet. All right, I'm going for a paddle, and I shall have this with me. And yeah, nice one. Thanks, Overboard, for sending it. And check out, I've got loads of Overboard stuff now. I'm very lucky to have been sent it for review, and I use all of it daily. I keep saying that in all the videos. Daily bags. There's always one around. Okay guys, you take care. I'm really warm, and I'll catch you for the next one.